Hey everyone, I'm Sarah and this is Courageous Color. Today we are going to add white to one of our recent color recipes. I want to say thank you to Alina Oprea, I hope I'm saying that correctly, for this idea. Thanks, Alina. We recently made red ochre using 3 parts red and 2 parts green. So let me mix that up for you to show you the color that we're going to start with today. I want you to know that I'm always open to paint mixing suggestions and color ideas, so share them with me. Drop a comment below with your great idea. Now that we have this beautiful red ochre, we'll start with 3 parts white and add 1 part red ochre. As I mix this up, think about what color this looks like to you. Drop me a comment below and let me know what shade of red or pink this looks like to you. Is it rose? Is it mauve? Is it dark pink? Or something else? Thank you again to Alina Oprea for suggesting this paint mixture, and thank you for watching. Remember to hit the thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to Courageous Color for more color mixing videos. Bye for now. I want to invite you to check out my color mixing book. Here's a quick preview of the basics of color mixing, written and illustrated by me, Sarah Claire. After reading this book, you will know how to identify and define primary colors, secondary colors, tertiary colors, harmonious and contrasting colors, as well as color values. You will learn how to mix secondary colors using primary colors, how to mix tertiary colors using primary and secondary colors, also how to mix or avoid mixing contrasting colors, how to mix various color values using equal parts or percentages, and how to make pastel colors and shadow colors. This book is available as an ebook for just $3.99 and in paperback. Just click on the link at the top of the description and that will take you to the Amazon page where you can read more.